to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you something special, and that is how you can upgrade your skills with the help of free courses, and those courses are available on udemy.com. So for that you have to visit on Udemy. You can see here udemy.com. So if you are asking what is Udemy, Udemy is a platform where online learning and teaching marketplace available, and over 13 like 1,30,000 courses and 35 million students are there. Yes, so Udemy for free resource center. See here, teacher as well as students are there. So if you want to become teacher, you can. If you want to become students, you can. And here you will get so many skills by going through the course. Just click on this. So if you are talking about courses, then development, business, financial, like IT and software, office, productive, personal development, design, marketing, health and fitness, music, even subcategories are also there. Yes, parenting, relationship, whatever. But thing is that, as I told you in the video, that how you can develop your skills or upgrade your skills. So for that, you have to type here free. Okay, free courses. Then click the first one. See, I'm not talking about go for bad one. If you are getting free, learn something, develop your new skills, and if you want pro version, you go pay something and become the expert. So when you scroll down, see social media and content marketing with viral content B. These are the courses which exactly want, like polite English in 40 minutes, 1639 enrollment, 4.5 is rating. So in this way you can search the courses which is absolutely free. See, because of COVID-19, almost most of the people lost their job. So it's time to upgrade your skill and search something new or get something new job, because earlier earlier situation was different, and now 2020 post covid situation will be different. Okay, so you just come on Udemy, search for new skills and upgrade yourself and go for market and rock the market. Yes, so without wasting time, you just go ahead, visit and grab the opportunity which are given by the creators for initial stage. Yes, so this is Niraj Kumar Singh signing out until we meet again. For now, bye bye.